Thank you for taking the time to look at a quick presentation from TechSmart on eMite Analytics and how we get the information from the data source to the dashboard quickly and effectively. So eMite is a real-time dashboard and analytical business intelligence tool that allows you to collect information from any different type of data source, whether it be operational monitoring or whether it be business metrics. TechSmart has a very quick and effective way of getting the information from the system to the dashboard. So one of the ways that we use is HTTPS, which is an effective way of getting information from remote locations through firewalls without having to actually break any security procedures or open any ports on those firewalls. So you can get information in real time from remote locations into the central dashboard quickly and effectively. We have eMite agents that run on any type of different operating system or database, including Linux, Unix, SQL, Oracle, Sybase, Informix, etc. We commonly use SSIS as an ETL transformation platform as well to get the information from those different data sources. We have our own C# and Java agents that collect that information. We can do direct ODBC and JDBC connections. We use CLI commands and port that information via TCP into the eMite state engine. We have a Perl and VB wrapper to extend and maximize the existing scripts that you may have written to collect that information from the existing data sources. We use MSMQ as well and SNMP. Once we've collected that information, we've worked out how we want to get that information from the source into eMite, we actually can transform and parse that information on the transformation into the eMite real-time dashboard, which allows you to apply complicated business logic to the information before it gets stored into the eMite database, so that it makes the information a lot more meaningful to the users. When the information comes into the eMite real-time state engine, we apply what we call a real-time parameter template engine. This allows you to set up templates for presenting the information into the dashboard, so that when new information is collected from different data sources, it can automatically be read through the template and presented into the dashboard. That real-time parameter template also applies the relationships that are stored in the eMite real-time service model. This service model is where we store all of our relationships. So as soon as the information is collected, we apply the relationships to that data. So we also work with a number of organizations where they have existing CMDBs, and we can use that CMDB as the relationship for our service model. So that CMDB can be updated daily, so you have a single source of truth for those relationships. For organizations that don't have a CMDB, eMite's service model is in fact the CMDB itself. The information from the parameter template engine and the eMite real-time service model, those relationships are actually stored in the eMite cube as well, and that cube and the real-time state engine communicate with each other so that the information from a real-time perspective and historical perspective are exactly the same for reporting and monitoring. So as you can see, the real-time state engine and the cube both report into the eMite real-time analytics dashboard. So the value now is that we can get information from any different type of data source in real time or in batch, and that information is uploaded in the eMite dashboard to provide things such as real-time information, monitoring, alerting, escalation, reporting, trending, predictions, correlation of information, capacity planning out of the box based on the relationships in the service model, real-time SLAs and KPIs as opposed to ones that are a month old, and all of this information based on the service model allows you to create and customize views for different users based on the access rights that they have. Thanks for listening.